I promised you on Friday in the news video that we had a secret giveaway coming from a company for a new VR headset. And it's the Varjo Aero. They've offered to give away one of their $1,000 headsets to someone on the channel just to support us and help us out. This is considered a premium VR headset. It was recently $2,000, although they did just drop the price down to $1,000 on this. So a huge thank you to Varjo, and to those of you out there who are wondering how do you get entered in this thing, it's pretty simple. We're gonna do the giveaway through Gleam. Basically, there'll be a link in the description or down in the comments. It'll take you over to our Twitter where you can get to that link from. It'll take you there. You can do some different things for entries for extra points if you want to get entered in that. Varjo said they'll ship this thing anywhere, so this is a worldwide giveaway. We're just going to run it for like 3 weeks, basically till the end of November, so that way whoever wins can get their new headset in time for Christmas. If you missed the video of us checking this out, I'll send that over to you too. This is a top-end VR headset. Even with my awesome rig here, I had a hard time trying to push this thing's limits. It's a very powerful headset. And Varjo, if you don't know the name, they're one of the VR companies that's more for enterprise. They're used by NASA, other companies, militaries. They use their headsets for training. These aren't usually considered consumer headsets. They're premium, but the Aero is their most consumer friendly one, especially now that it's just below $1,000 in cost. That's a huge giveaway. We also still have that Quest 3 giveaway going on. I'll leave a link to that one too in case you haven't entered, although I think a lot of you have. Everybody's been really happy about that. There's tons of entries over there. Not only a big thank you to Varjo, but a huge thank you to all of you. You've pushed the channel to new heights this last month that I could have never expected. Last month, absolutely huge. Thank you. We haven't even celebrated 50K yet, and we're already coming up on 60 because of all of you out there. So thank you so much for being here with me with the channel. It means so much. So we got the Varjo Aero giveaway. We still got the Quest 3 giveaway going on, so make sure you get entered in both of those. And thank you. I'll see you in another reality. And to the few of you out there who are like, where's the beard? Nat and I were Bob and Linda for Halloween, which was awesome. And I felt like I pulled off a pretty good Bob, although having just a mustache felt really weird for me.